Today we're going to learn how to use the masking tool to do very creative things with merging faces, animals, fixing blemishes, so many things. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine two different portraits. This can be used to just combine two different people together. You can also do this, for example, if you have a family photo and someone's closing their eyes and then there's another picture with their eyes open. You could also use the masking tool to fix it so it looks like that person is opening their eyes. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and open my two pictures that I'm going to merge. So we have our girl, and so I'm going to combine two girls, one with brown eyes and then one with blue eyes. And so I'm going to make it and try to blend so that one, our model looks like she has different eyes. So I'm going to steal these eyes. I'm going to cut and paste them onto our picture. And the first thing you want to do in the masking steps is match up the features and try to match up the colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the size a little bit closer. If in the layer you change the, press OK, but in the layer channel, if you adjust the opacity a little bit, what you can do is you can kind of see through this. And what I try to do is match up the features as best as possible. So what I'm looking at is that the eyes are right on top of each other and about the same size. So once they look like they're pretty close, you can press OK. I'm going to increase the opacity again. So the first thing you'll do is you'll match the size and placement using the opacity trick. And the next thing I'm going to do is try to match the color, because once I merge these, the fact that her skin's a lot fair might affect it. So we can do this in image adjustments, and I'm going to play around with brightness and contrast and color balance. So the first thing I can do is maybe darken it a little bit. In the color balance, you're able to add different color tones and play around with that to see if that works. So that's a little bit closer. You can spend a lot of time doing this, but this is close enough. So again, playing with your image adjustments, and some of these features can help you with the color tone. Now, once you have the color tone pretty close and the size is where it needs to be, now what I want to do is take the borrowed image and put it underneath my main image. So we want to be working with our main image. So the background image is locked. So to unlock it, if you double click it and press OK, you can create a layer where now these can be changed. So I can click and drag